What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing flip cup tic-tac-toe on this table. Brandon is back trying to redeem himself from his L he took last video.
Which was not fair, because I don't play basketball. I'm not that good.
For this video, we're going to be doing something that's to his advantage.
What is that supposed to mean? Anyways, so the rules are pretty simple. You got the drink in the cup. You gotta drink it. Once you put it down, you're gonna flip it. Like that, not like that. Once you flip the cup, you can place it anywhere on the table. And then yeah, that's really about it.
3 in a row wins you the match. First person to 3 wins is the winner. Whoever loses has to eat the punishment that I brought today. But without further ado, let's get to the game.
Let's go!
Alright, we got water in these cups.
Yeah, water.
Water. Nothing else. We don't do nothing other than that. We're good boys.
Ready?
I'm kind of nervous. I've seen you do this before.
2.
On the fraternities and everything.
I'm not in a fraternity. 3, 2, 1. Dang!
I still have my water. How's the water keep? You cheated, bro. You cheated.
Alrighty, guys. That was pretty easy. But your boy's taking a leak, and then we'll get right back to it, baby. That was pretty easy.
I told you, he was in a frat. He's been practicing this all year at his university. Yeah.
I got dropped.
Because he was too good, exactly.
3, 2, 1. I already got it. Daddy. Yes. It's too easy. Let me see.
Alright, let's go on to round 3.
Ready to lose?
No. I got it. It's in the veins, I feel it. I didn't activate. Let me switch it on. Alright. I'm ready.
Wow.
It's in the veins. You ready?
Let's go. Kidding me.
What the hell? There you go.
Ooh.
I won finally.
You got lucky, for being honest here. I couldn't make my first cup. I couldn't make my first cup. You got lucky.
It was smart.
I'm about to beat you now anyway, so let's get it over with.
Alright. You're lucky I didn't turn off that switch.
Turn it on right now.
Alright, I'm ready again.
Alright, let's go.
Big mistake. Let's get it. Damn it. The
Loser.
loser is
You.
this is the punishment again. Last time I brought these back into my video. Well, last time I brought these into my video, I lost to Tim. Now I lost to Brandon. You know, congratulations. Congratulations, you finally won.
Thank you.
Eggs, eyeballs.
You mean 2?
Trying to get 2 with legs, babies, pregnant. Oh God. Okay.
Is that incest? No.
How'd you know, Brandon? Bacon and cheese flavored crickets. I don't know how I end up losing in these videos where I have to eat this disgusting stuff. All right, you guys ready?
All right, go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, how's it taste?
No.
No.
Oh, that look good.
Went down, looked kind of easy though.
I got the eyeball.
You can taste it.
I can
Want some water?
The water actually probably made it worse. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, do all that right now.
Sir.
I appreciate Brandon for joining me in this video. He
Thank you for having me.
He made up his L from last game.
W, baby.
Now game of the W. Congrats. Congrats, how does it feel?
Feels pretty good.
Alright.
I'm gonna go take a nap.
Without further ado, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!